What's going on, car family? I'm Ben Wayne.
I'm Mrs. Wayne, Aisha.
And thank you for joining us in another video. Today we're doing a short vlog. I was recently invited out to Atlanta Motorsports Park by Audi for the Audi Performance Drive Experience. So I signed up to drive the Audi R8 and the RS5, so I'm extremely excited about that. So we're supposed to be going around the track with instructors, learning about the car, learning about how driving dynamics impact how the car is handled on the track, and just getting a feel for the car on the track, which I suspect is completely different from driving on the regular street. So I'm really looking forward to that. Hopefully we have a great time. So join us and we'll check it out.
So Auto Union was formed back in the day in Germany, and that was a combination of a couple manufacturers, but mainly Audi and Mercedes, Audi and Daimler. And when they then split up, Daimler said to Audi, it's fine, you can start another car company, but you can't develop an engine 6 cylinders or above. So that's why we came out of this 5-cylinder. And then ultimately, the contract was expired and we could develop whatever we want. But in the meantime, we developed this 5-cylinder and we really created an awesome engine. Because you have the crossover where you don't have necessarily a very high revving engine, but you have the torque. So you have decent revving and pretty good torque. So you have a nice crossover there. So just a great engine package and very small and compact. You can see mounted transversely here. So just a well-packaged, power unit. This one doesn't have the Alcantara roof, but you can get that as an option.
This actually feels pretty good.
The nice thing for tall guys like me is that this roof line is actually quite high.
Yeah. So
even when we sit in here with the helmet, I'm 6'2", and I don't really have a problem at all.
It feels much bigger than it looks.
Right?
Right?
Yeah, exactly.
Really?
Yeah. It's quite curved on top. It's got get a Google Maps option where it pulls up Street View and it pulls up Google Earth and all of that. So you got the Maps option. If you want to have your phone and all of that, you can have that connected, or you can go to car information. If you don't want that much data going on, just pop it there. Now we have it in Sport Display here, where we have the engine data and then we have the G-force sensor. You can change this, put a computer there, get fuel consumption, all of that, or you can go over, and if you do want to have a little bit of maps there, and you can put your phone on this side. So it's really like the best thing is you've configured to whatever you like, and then you can play around. So very simple here. Everything is on the wheel that you can reach it right here. Grab a button, whatever you need to do, volume, change modes, drive select. So it really is a well-packaged car. Alright. Last thing I want to show you guys is just the V10 here. This is something I think it'll eventually be a collector's item, because with everyone going turbo power, this naturally aspirated engine, this thing screams 8,500 RPM, sounds awesome, runs well, and I don't think we'll see too many more of these being made. This fixed carbon rear spoiler is the only way you can tell the difference between a V10 Plus and a standard V10. So standard V10 has slightly less horsepower and a little more weight, and this is the only component that you cannot buy anywhere other than if you buy a V10 Plus. So if you buy a V10, you can pretty much spec everything out, you can add the carbon everywhere, but that's the only component you cannot buy off the market. Okay guys, I've spoken enough. That's why we get on track. Ready to go?
They got cameras in here too.
Yeah, we can get you guys a video after this.
Oh, this would be awesome. This is my first
Yeah, it's a pretty nice interior, right?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. He's not gonna scare me, is he?
No, 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 not at all.
Yeah. So push the button all the way back. There you go. Perfect. Yeah, you're clear. Just nice and slowly to the left hand side all the way down. Slowly all the way down. The green light's on so we can head out straight on track. Okay. So just remember, you got to be nice and smooth out there. Keep your eyes looking down the horizon, and we're just gonna have some fun. Alrighty, you're clear to go, so head straight out for me. Nice and smooth, we'll just build up the pace, okay?
Okay.
Stay to the right hand side. Good. TI, and we start to turn in. Head towards the apex. Good. And over here we can stay on the gas all the way up the hill. There you go, get the apex. Perfect. And right here we're going to hold about 45 miles per hour all the way around, looking for the apex, and straight down the hill. Good, straight, and we work our way to the left hand side, so left hand side, your side, and brakes. Off the brakes, get ready and turn. Turn, 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 turn. And now we're on the gas, go for it, on the gas, left hand side, stay on the left, stay on the left. Off the gas now, over to my side of the track. Stay on the right hand side and brakes. Good, off the brakes and turn in. Good, and we're going to the left hand side, you got it. Straight down and brakes. Off the brakes and turn. And on the gas coming out. Very cool, and turn in. Get the apex. Straight and quick left, cut the tight bend, cut it tight. There you go. And we're starting on the gas. Probably going to catch this Panamera unless they go in the pit lane on the black line for me. Middle, the inside one, yeah. So if they don't go in the pit lane, we're going to pass them, but I'll just tell you when to pass them, okay? So don't make any move to pass them until I tell you. We give it some more gas. There you go, keep pushing, Ben, you got to keep pushing. Over to my side of the track. And on the brakes, 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 brakes. Hard on the brakes, hard on the brakes. Okay, off the brakes and turn in, very good. And on some gas coming out. Stay on my side. Good, off the gas, and now we turn in, get that apex. Okay, wait and turn in. Good, nice change in direction there. Okay, easy on the gas around here. That's good, hold it around there. Hold it at that, that's good. Turning in, apex. Straight down. Off the gas, over to the left hand side, and on the brakes. Stay on the brakes out there, off the brakes and turn. Keep turning, keep cutting in, keep cutting in. Now we're on the gas coming out. Good, stay on the gas, left hand side, stay on the gas and lift. Over to my side of the track and brake in a straight line. Off the brakes and turn. Nice, good driving, Ben. Back to the gas, left hand side and brakes, turn in and on the gas coming out. Good, and touch the brakes, off the brakes and turn. And turn in. Good, we're cutting in now. Alrighty. Very nice. How does the car feel?
It feels solid. It really feels solid and planted.
Pretty well stuck to the road, right?
Yeah.
Very cool. Nice driving. Keep it up, okay? Nice and smooth on that gas pedal. Left hand side, stay on the gas. You can start to give it some more gas now. Turn to my side on the gas. Go for it, full gas. You got it.
This thing is fun.
Keep turning, keep going, keep going, keep going. And brakes. There you go. Hard on the brakes. Let me feel those carbon ceramics. You got it. Good. Off the brakes and turn. And on the gas coming out. Nice. Off the gas. Wait, and now we turn. Good. Get ready and turn. There we go. Nice. Apex up there. Nice and smooth. Back the gas. Just gently. Good. That's good. And get the apex. On the gas going down here. Left hand side. Off the gas. On the brakes. Okay. Off the brakes. Wait and turn. Turn sharp. Get to the apex. Good. Now on the gas, let's feel that quattro. There you go. Power, 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 power. Left hand side. Off the gas. Over to my side of the track. And on the brakes. Brakes. Off the brakes and turn in. Apex. Very nice driving. Left hand side. Left hand side. And brakes. And turn in, and on the gas coming out. Good. Brakes now. Turn in. Okay. And cut back that way. Good. Nice and smooth on the gas. Yeah, that's perfect. Onto the black line all the way around. Good, keep going, hold that gas, yeah, that's good, right there, yeah. And now we can start to put on some more gas, eyes on the top left. Get ready, and now we're turning this way, turn, 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 turn. And on the gas. And hard on the brakes. There we go, nice. Hold the brakes, and turn.
What's going on, everybody? So I just drove the R8 V10 around the track. How do you think I did?
You did awesome. I think you did a great job. I think you were hustling it through the corners there, and you know the track takes a little bit of time to really get to know it. I think you did a good job for the first time.
The car performs exceptionally well. The suspension seems fairly rigid, like zero body roll, and it's comfortable at the same time on the track. So it's a pretty nice car. It seems like you get a little bit of everything in a nice, neat package.
So, plus it looks awesome, doesn't it?
It does look cool.
Beautiful.
That was an amazing experience. We got to take the Audi R8 out on the track, Atlanta Motorsports Park, and then Isha and I also did a quick ride in the RS3. We didn't get any footage of that, but Isha, what was your experience on that?
Woo! I got my need for speed today. You know, it was great.
It was pretty awesome.
It was great.
So after the RS3, I went out with the instructor in the RS5. That car performs exceptionally well as well. Not as great as the R8. There's a little bit of body roll, but that's to be expected. The R8's a full-blown supercar, but the RS5 really did have some impressive performance.
I could definitely tell the difference. I didn't ride in the R8, but just looking at the different of the dynamics and when it was out on the track, I could definitely see the difference.
Yeah, you can see the difference in performance. Huh?
Yeah, you can. I mean, just the takeoff, the torque, just everything. Just had a little bit more acceleration and better handling on the curves.
Yeah, the R8 sounded amazing.
It did. Believe it or not, it sounded great when that came on. I didn't get that feel in the sedan. However, I feel like the sedan, the RS, correct?
Yes.
performed, you know, exceptionally well.
Yeah, it did perform well for a sedan. So we had a great time today. I encourage anybody who has the opportunity to do this Audi Performance Drive at AMP, go ahead and do it. Make sure you do it, because when you're on the track, you really see how much different it is from just traditionally driving on an open street. There's a lot to learn. So we had a great time. I think we'll cut it off here.
Yep, I encourage any women out there that have some need for speed, get on out there, get on that track. It's only 2 miles. It's doesn't have a ton of elevation, ton of hills, nothing like that. So it's a good learning track, I would say. I mean, there are some hard curves and some turns, but it seemed very not, you know, too technical.
Yeah, it was a good time. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.